Hello to all. My name is Samiksha Kodolkar. I am an assistant professor in SND College of Engineering, Yevla. I was taught the subject of basic electronics. In last video lecture, we see the types of FM detector. We see the three types. First is slope detector. After that, balance slope detector. Third is phase discriminator. In today's video lecture, we see the next type of FM detector, that is the ratio detector. Ratio detector or demodulator is modified Foster-Seeley circuit in order to incorporate amplitude limiting. In Foster-Seeley discriminator, that sum of voltages VA0 plus VB0 should remain constant and their differences should vary due to variation in input frequency. In the ratio detector, but practically speaking, any variation in the amplitude of input signal also has an impact on sum of VA0 plus VB0, leading to distortion. Ratio detector circuit eliminates this variation of VA0 plus VB0 and perform the function of amplitude limited also. In the ratio detector, three changes are made in Foster-Seeley discriminator. One of the diodes has been reversed. A large capacitor has been placed between points from where output was taken. Output now is taken from elsewhere. As shown in a slide, this is the circuit diagram of ratio detector where the two diodes are used, diode D1 and diode D2. Change 1 is diode D2 is reversed so that now sum of VA0 and VB0 appears across the points A dash and B dash instead of difference. The ratio detector slide is as shown in figure. The change 2 is a capacitor C5 with a large time constant is connected across A dash to B dash in order to keep VA0 plus VB0 constant. In next slide, the change is output is taken from O to O dash. As the difference is VA0 plus VB0 appears there, ground is shifted to O. The operation of phase discriminator ratio detector is no phase shift occurs at resonance and both VA0 and VB0 are equal. Hence their difference output is 0. During negative part of cycle of input signal, polarity across secondary also changes and both the diodes get reverse bias. But C5 with large time constant maintain voltage at constant level. The operation above resonance is when a tuned circuit operates at a frequency higher than resonance, the tank is inductive. The secondary voltage V1 is nearer in phase with primary voltage, while V2 is shifted further out of phase with primary. The operation above resonance as shown in a slide. When the output voltage in case will be positive as shown in vector diagram, VA0 and VB0, VAB by 2 in VA0, VAB, VB0 minus VAB by 2. The output waveform is as shown in slide. When the operation below resonance, when a tuned circuit operates below resonance, it is capacitive. Secondary current leads the primary voltage and secondary voltage V2 is nearer in phase with the primary voltage and the voltage V1 is shifted away in phase from the primary voltage. The operation below resonance is as shown in a slide. So the output in this case will be negative. VAB by 2 and minus V at VA0 minus VAB by 2 at minus V0. The output is as shown in a slide. The type of this FM detector. What are the advantages of this detector? The amplitude limiting is possible. Linearity is quite good as compared to others, so quite often used in high quality receivers. The ratio detector disadvantages are under a critical of these conditions, such as a satellite receiver where a demodulator noise performance becomes a very significant, even this demodulator is found wanting. The second disadvantage is under these conditions more advanced demodulators such as phase lock loops are used. The last but not least type of a demodulator we see in next video lecture, that is phase lock loop, PLL. Thank you.